Hi, Achy Dad here. I'm up at work at Marlborough College's Learning Design and Technology program. I'm going to do an unboxing of a Generation 1, lowest budget $250 Apple Watch. Didn't bring my bug spray, but it's worth it. It's so beautiful up here. Explosion of green behind me. You might hear a truck or two. We're not totally in the middle of nowhere. What says? Generation 1. Has little directions here about how to use the strap. Feels nice. Here's the sensors on the back. It looks like it has just a little button and nicely put into the rubber. The main reason I got a watch and never had one before is so I don't have to carry my phone around the house or around meetings, and I can get family notifications in a meeting without too much distraction. I work in higher ed. They say, you know, your body's just a machine to carry your head from meeting to meeting. You put the little nub in first. I should have read the directions. RTFM. And then you put this down there. I got the smaller of the two sizes. I'm about 5'7", 175, 85. Can't really feel it too much. So far so good. I haven't had a watch in a long time. I was going to get the $350 one so I could take a shower with it, but I couldn't quite afford it. I was so excited I almost forgot the whole other part of the watch box. Nice Apple packaging, of course. The quick start directions are long, like the box. There's a USB charger. And there is a extra band. That's it for that. It's got a nice winder on the side that feels like an old school watch. Not that kids now will know what an old school watch feels like, but that definitely feels like an old winder. It's kind of taken a long time to boot up, but I've never booted one up, so I'm gonna go charge it up. So far it feels great. Alright, keep on time out there.